What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're seeing silver rally outperform gold as the gold and silver ratio narrows. So in this video, we're going to be talking about, are the fundamentals better for silver than they are for gold? I've expressed my thoughts and feelings on silver recently over the past couple of videos, talking to you guys about why I feel like silver is in a better position right now than gold. We're going to be going into those details along with examining the new data. We've got a couple awesome articles that we're going to be going through with you guys, some new data points to focus on when it comes to silver, taking a look at the gold and silver ratio, along with all the awesome companies that we follow, as these are your market minutes, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I also wanted to say I dropped two interesting interviews over the past couple of days. One interview with Aftermath Silver. Check out that company. It's a very interesting company and they just made an awesome acquisition. Along with, we just released a video this morning on Tourmaline Metals with Brian Slazarchuk. It's a big update. They got some really awesome drill results, and now they've actually seen some silver in their drill results, as Tourmaline was a gold focused company, but they kind of knew they were going to hit silver. They hit some awesome silver drill results, so it's just icing on the cake for the company. So feel free to check out those two awesome interviews, and we've got a ton of awesome interviews on the way, guys. One very unique company that's not in the mining sector, and we will be dropping that, I believe, in 2 days. So let's get straight into the video. I've got a ton of information for you guys, and that's it for the intro. Last thing I'm going to say before we dive into this is, if you do support me in the channel and all the videos that I put out, then kindly explode that like button. If you are a new viewer to the channel, you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, but you appreciate constant daily updates in the markets, new and exciting companies, and you want to learn a little bit more about investing, then don't forget to catch that subscribe button and hit the market bell for notifications. Let's get straight into this video. So guys, first thing we got to do is comment of the day. First comment of the day goes to Masonic Kid. Loving the silver and gold in the green, forever bullish. First, we are going to try to buy developers. That's because they get re-rated as they become a producer. Who's the top silver developers? Mag Silver and Silvercrest Metals. Now do some homework. Thanks for recommending those stocks, guys. And I will be doing more videos on silver specific companies. I'll definitely have to include a bunch of your requests, and I want to go to our channel poll, because I'll be honest, guys, I've been super busy. I've had a lot going on and I haven't had a chance to make those viewer requested videos. We'll have to get to it this week. I want to put some more work into just simply the viewer requested stuff. Of course, I'm going to be doing tons of interviews and talking about new companies, but I just quickly want to dive into that vote, and we've got almost 300 votes now. It's been a week old, and the #1 requested video still is top 3 silver stocks for September. So top 3 silver stocks, top 3 stocks for September, all sectors, and top renewable energy stocks. Those are the 3 videos that I'm going to focus on, along with 1 episode of Garbage and Gold. So it will be fun. Garbage and Gold will definitely be fun, and we'll have to put some more garbage into it to make it actually funny. So next comment day goes to Joseph Lim. It's been almost a month and finally my stocks are showing the leverage for 2% gain in silver bullion. It's nice to see. Richard Zola, I'm new to your channel with a small precious metal portfolio. Glad to see some of my holdings mentioned. Makes me feel less of an idiot. And you're not an idiot, Richard. Come on now. You gotta be confident in yourself. But thank you for tuning into the channel. And I love new viewers. I love new comments. So drop those comments below. Feel free to express your opinion on a company that you own. You know, tell me which precious metal stocks you guys have, or even if they're not a precious metal stock, talk about companies that you guys like, and I will do my best to address all of the comments. Lawi, geologist hard to find, too bad. I burned my degrees to keep warm last winter. Oh man, yeah, geologists are now in high demand. So if you're a geologist, you're probably laughing right now. Like seeing all the bulls on Wall Street, enjoying the analysis. Keep up the good work. Thanks, and I do my best to, you know, keep you guys up to date. What's going on? How's the sentiment? You know, how are things moving? Taking a look at all the charts. Rob Voda, hi Aaron, I'm a subscriber. I have 2 stocks, both Canadian. What do you think? CSIQ and Kirkland Lake. Love Kirkland Lake. It was the one stock that I added to the most over the last, 3 to 4 months. Ever since March, I would say Kirkland Lake was the #1 stock that I was looking to add to, at least for large cap gold producers. I saw it dip below 50 bucks a share and I said, holy smokes, this is a good idea. And I consistently have been buying Kirkland Lake, so awesome company there. And CSIQ, I definitely think that the solar industry is, making some kind of breakout, and renewable energies in general will just be more favorable. So technology will catch up, and it has, if it hasn't already caught up. And I do feel like solar companies will be profitable. They'll find a way. That was my bearish case about it in the past. It takes so many years to actually see an ROI on solar panels. What can I say? I do like the company. I do like renewable energy, and I am bullish on CSIQ, probably more so than I've ever been nowadays. So once again, guys, drop those comments. Let me know. I try my best to read them all, and I will address them all. So let's get into your update. So as you can see here, guys, we have those two videos, Aftermath Silver and Termalina, both interviews for you guys to check out. So feel free to check those out. And we are diving into all the news now. So we are seeing a red day on Wall Street, except for, of course, the bulletproof, rock-solid NASDAQ up 1%. So Dow fell on Monday, paced by a decline in energy, although the index remained on track to notch its best performance for the month of August since 1984. What is going on? Goldman Sachs lifted forecasts on Brent crude for the second quarter of next year to $57 a barrel. Wow. Apple stock split drew favorable commentary from multiple analysts on Wall Street ahead of the tech giant's iPhone 12 launch. So we are seeing Tesla and Apple split today, and we'll be taking a look at the tech stocks in just 2 seconds as they are rock solid. Jeez. So guys, gold just peeked its head into the green, up 5 cents to 1974.95. So gold's holding steady, and that's definitely something that I like to see with markets at all-time highs. Gold is remaining above 1900 and above 1920. Let's take a quick look at the charts here. One thing I do got to say is gold has consistently been making lower highs and lower highs, although I want to see gold get back above $2,000 per ounce, preferably above 2,020 to 2,025 bucks per ounce. That was the last high before we pulled back once again. But gold's looking pretty strong. I'm happy to see it, and the dollar is dropping, so we will be addressing the US dollar in just 2 seconds. But I want to take a look at silver, because silver is the outperformer today. And like I said, why is silver more favorable? You guys might be wondering, why am I more bullish on silver? Well, it just so happens to be that when gold gets that precious metal bid, gold goes up due to, you know, safe haven demand. Silver gets the same. Then when we got good economic news, things like that, we're seeing Tesla and Apple run. Silver's running too. So silver gets that industrial demand, that safe haven demand, and I really think that it's in a unique spot right now. Not to mention, if you continue to take a look at the gold and silver ratio, which we're going to in just 1 second here, it still has a long way to go. Yes, we just dipped below 70 today, but historically, if we take a look at the 10-year chart, the gold and silver ratio has been as low as the 30s. So if that's the case, and we do retest those historical lows, there's a good possibility that we could retest those historical lows, because realistically, I think that silver has much more uses than gold does. Gold, jewelry, some electronics, safe haven demand, it's a pretty good currency, but silver has all of those uses, plus renewable energy. It's more used in electronics. There's just a lot of things to think about when it comes to silver, not just being a safe haven metal, but actually an industrial metal. So in this technological age that we're in, silver is just going to become more and more in demand. So I wouldn't be surprised if that gold and silver ratio continues to narrow. Now, we're going to also take a look at a couple articles, guys. And we're seeing silver massively outperform gold today. Silver's up 2.6% and gold is essentially flat. Silver is at 28.50, so very happy to see it. And the US dollar hit multi-year lows yet again. We got as low as 91.99 on the DXY today before bouncing just a tiny bit, but the dollar is down 0.22%. And like I said, lower dollar, if the dollar continues to drop, it should continue to support the price of precious metals. Let's see the news we got from Kitco. So only a matter of time before silver price hits all-time highs as it outperforms gold. So this is from Randy Smallwood. The gold and silver ratio continues to hover near its lowest level in a month as silver continues to play catch-up within the precious metal markets. On the sidelines of the Mines and Money Online Connect Virtual Mining Conference, Randy Smallwood, CEO of Wheaton Precious Metals. So this is very important. Wheaton Precious Metals used to be called Silver Wheaton. Heavy emphasis on silver, and it's also one of the biggest streamers in the world, said now is silver's time to shine. It's only a matter of time before the metal follows in gold's footsteps and hits record highs above $50 per ounce. And this is something that I've been calling for a long time, guys. In this environment, with all the stimulus, everything that's going on, fiat currencies losing crazy amounts of value, for gold to hit record highs and silver not to hit record highs, I think that, you know, it's just a matter of time before silver hits record highs. So silver's fundamentals are stronger than gold, and this once again comes from Randy Smallwood. So I wanted to read just a couple quotes that he said. These are words right from him. There's all sorts of benefits to silver. We've been saying this for a long time. The fundamentals are much stronger, but silver always lags gold when gold starts moving. In the last 2 months, we've really seen silver totally outperform and claw its way back up. Now we're not at record highs yet, but with the fundamentals behind silver, I'm confident that we will see record highs in silver over the near term. All of the reasons that I've just stated, a lot of them, I'm just reiterating things that I've said already, but I really do think these factors will push silver to record highs. And where we're at right now at 28.50, that indicates even if we hit, let's say 51 or 52, which I think that this is going to be a historical bull run, not just a couple dollars higher than record highs if and when we make it to record highs, but that indicates at least 100% upside. I think we'll get it. I think it's a matter of time, but like I said, can't predict the future, but those are just my thoughts. I want to talk about the US dollar right now real quick, and then that'll be it. So gold prices are modestly up and silver prices sharply higher in midday US trading Monday, supported by a slumping US dollar that dropped to 2.5-year lows. Gold prices are modestly up and silver prices sharply higher in midday US trading Monday, supported by a slumping US dollar. The US stock market is now getting frothy. October futures were last up $5. December COMEX silver futures were up 72 cents to 28.50. With the markets up and silver continuing to rally, this is very bullish. So last but not least, guys, I wanted to say it is in fact the last day of August, and we will be dropping our fresh report into the group for September. I'm going to talk about some very interesting things in that report. We drop one monthly report into the group. Sometimes it's profiling one specific company, sometimes it's on one stock, along with our weekly video, all the trades that we make, a full portfolio update. So if you guys are interested in my public portfolio, all the stocks that I buy or sell, the stocks that I hold in the public account, feel free to check out the group. Just $10 a month or $100 a year. Let's get this group to 200 members. I know I said that a few times, but we're almost there, guys. Just a couple more members. And let's get into all the charts, the good stuff, and then that will be it for the video, guys. So in terms of the MJ sector, Medmen, Zenabis, and Delta 9, three biggest gainers. We are seeing Koios Beverages, Metagrowth, and Harvest One, three biggest losers. Now let's take a look at the dividend stocks. In terms of dividend stocks, we're seeing more red than we are seeing green, with Brookfield Property Partners declining 3% and Brookfield Infrastructure Partners down almost 2%. Brookfield Property Partners holding on to $15 per share though. Now let's take a look at the gold and silver sector, and overall it is a green day with the silver miners leading the way, although Nova Gold is the biggest gainer, followed by Silvercrest and Teranga Gold. Three biggest losers, Turmalina African Gold Group and Bluestone Resources. Interesting. In terms of tech stocks, we are in fact seeing Tesla, Apple, and Amazon three biggest gainers, with Tesla hitting $487 per share, up another 10%. This valuation is so beyond me, guys, but that's just the way it goes. Now, in terms of the broader 2020 watch list, we are seeing Else Nutrition, Tesla, AMD, and Apple all hit 52-week highs. Else Nutrition is over $3 per share now. This is wild, guys. Moderna down 4%. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you make your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.